want to install one photovoltaic system in IEEE 9 bus system instead of using one generator. So we want to see how is the impact of installing one big solar farm instead of one generator. So for doing that, here we have 3 generators that are connected to this system. If you make a load flow, so we can see how much is the power flow is happening in this system. So for installing a PV, so here we have PV system, but you should install some controllers. And we have a lot of examples in PowerFactory that is already installed. So if you go in the template here, in distributed energy, in photovoltaic system, we have a lot of examples. So in photovoltaic systems, here we have large PV plants, 110 megavolt ampere, 60 hertz, and this system is 60 hertz, and just click anywhere you want and close it. So we installed this one by right clicking here and connecting, so you can connect to this bus bar. So if you double click in this PV system, here we can see is 110 megavolt ampere PV, and here this is 128 megavolt ampere. So if you want to change it, just easily you can change to this and okay. And if you go to transformer also, here you should change this one. So for example, 200 MV. So here we have model in this power plant. So if we go to this model, so you can see here we have different control stuff, different protection stuff here. So for example, if we go to the control, so here we can see we have a lot of control parameters. And if you click on the diagram, you can see how is the control method for these PV farm. So a lot of control methods is here. And we don't want to change that, and we only want to use that. So this one is installed, and here we have generators. So if we make this generator out of service and make a load flow, so we can see how is the power flow based on this PV farm. So it's 100 megawatts and is connecting. But the point is that if we want to compare these two cases, we cannot just make it again out of service and make it again out of service, and then we can compare that. But here we have one comparison tool in PowerFactory, and we can compare two cases. So for example, for case A, we have this generator. Just click, just make a load flow first, and then click on this comparing result and on and off. So this current calculation is saved as a case A. So case A is generator, and now I make it out of service, make it in the service, and make load flow again. So this is now case B. So here the thing that you can see is the difference between case A and B in percentage. And if you want to see how is that, is case B minus case A divided by case A. So if you want to see the differences, like this goes. So case B is PV, case A is generator. So here we can see the difference between the generator and PV is how much in this example.